First thing, water. Okay, so the shirt, I'm just gonna tell y'all, it's from Zaful. Oh, heads up, there's gonna be a lot of hauls in my future videos. I plan on making a lot of hauls because I just love shopping. I'm gonna be using the Nivea Men Shape Balm. I don't really know if this works, but I still use it. I mean, I do notice that I get more oily without it, so you know, just gonna put that on. And yes, I have two humongous, I think that's a word, humongous pimples at the moment. This one and this one. I actually have 3 if you count the red one here, but like it's not really that obvious yet, so I'm not gonna count it. Alright, primer. I have very, very oily skin. Not very oily, what am I saying? Like I have like normal to oily skin, so I do have to prime a lot, and I mean it doesn't hurt to add extra primer. After I do that, I'm gonna do foundation. So today's foundation is going to be the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. And you guys always ask me what shade I'm in. This is bronze beige, medium tan, pretty much. I don't really buy foundations that match my skin anymore, like new foundations, because I just figured that I can just mix other shades with it to make my shade. So whenever you guys ask me what foundation shade I am, like I'm just here like I don't really know because I mix my stuff. See, I do this and then I add a darker like color to it. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in Cafe. This is what I do basically. So yeah, now you guys know. My water. Just blend it out. So yeah, I just want to make this clear, but like I swear I'm not a beauty guru or anything. Like I don't even know how to do my makeup. I mean, I only know how to do my makeup but not others, and like I don't even really know the facts to makeup. I just do it, and every time I do it, it basically looks the same. Today I want to make my foundation, or not my foundation, I want to make my makeup look very different than my normal look. Yeah, I'm not really one to step out of my comfort zone for eyeshadow and things like that because I'm just not good at eyeshadow whatsoever. I'm the worst. But today, I just want to try something different. I don't really put foundation on my forehead too much, but I'm just going to do it today because I have a lot of excess. And yeah! I'm currently wearing lashes, if I didn't say that already. I'm wearing the Winkformula lashes in Luna. This is how they look like in their case. I'm obsessed with these lashes. I've been wearing them for like the past 2 months straight because I'm so obsessed. Can you guys tell? They're like, I can't even describe them. They're just very cute, alright? I'm gonna talk a lot in this video because obviously it's like get rid of me, so like I'm gonna just talk. But I use these 2 lip glosses. Yeah, you guys always ask me what lip gloss I use, which what you guys see is always the Rimmel London Stay Glossy lip gloss, and I always use this one because it's the one that you can get from drugstore. But another option is NK Makeup. If you buy it online, oh yeah, their lip gel, if you buy it online you can get it for $1, which I got the idea from Charlize, but I actually didn't buy this one online. I bought this from a beauty salon store, so thank God, because ordering online for makeup products and stuff like that can be so like you know when you just really want the package. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Oh yeah, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. Yeah, I usually use this for like YouTube videos so y'all can actually see my brows, because whenever I use powder it's kind of invisible. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip this. I'll be back, y'all. What the? Guys, where's my lip gloss? Oh my gosh. Is that my eyebrow? Guys, this is exactly how you want your eyebrows to look. Yay! No, don't do it like this, okay? Okay guys, that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just kidding. Alright guys, I just did my brows and I concealed them too. Can't find my eyeshadow primer, I'm just gonna use concealer. Yeah, my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I didn't even put concealer on. I look like I did. Putting it on my eyeballs. Oh man, I forgot that I was gonna try to do a crazy eyeshadow look, so I already put on my lashes. But it is what it is. Y'all can hear my dog bark. I'm really excited for this part because I don't really own a lot of palettes, or I kind of do, but like I don't really own any palettes with color. Example, I actually just recently got these Winkformula palettes. They are, let me just show you guys. The colors are bomb. There's Wildfire, which is so cute. It is basically like wildfire. Like y'all see these colors on this side. There's this one, which this one is called Crushed Berries. Yeah, this is so cute. Oh, and there's this one. I'm probably gonna use a mix of this one and Wildfire. Yeah, so this one and the other red looking one. In this palette, there's colors. Let's start with sorry, I'm gonna look at the viewfinder a lot. I'm gonna start with like this color. Yeah, that pink color. Yeah, y'all can't really see, okay? Well, like y'all can use your brains and realize what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna lightly put this on as my base. Yeah, next color, I should transition to a lighter pink or like something. I'm gonna go with that color right there. Lightly put in my crease and build it up because I don't exactly know what I'm doing. That's why you know I don't do my eyeshadow much. Alright, after that, I'm gonna switch my brush now, but I'm using, I was just using the e.l.f. blending brush. Oh, this is not e.l.f. bro. I forgot to tell you guys, but I'm using the Wet n Wild blending brush. I don't remember how much this cost. I think it was like around $3 or $1, but it looks like this. I actually got it from the Dollar Tree now that I think about it. Now I'm gonna use the Sigma Diffuse Crease Brush in E38. I actually have a discount code for all Sigma products, so you know, use my code. I will link it down below. I think it's like Sandy Baby, but like don't quote me. Next color I'm gonna use is, I'm gonna just apologize right now because I know I'm not looking really at the camera. Like I'm looking at the side thing, so like, you know, yeah. Alright, I'm putting this into my crease. But I kind of need to blend it a bit more, like around the edges, because it looks kind of sharp on camera. I don't know what I'm doing. After that, going back with this color, this brush, I'm gonna take the light pink again. Put that back in the crease and go a little higher so that it looks a little more blended. So yeah, blend it like that. It looks way more soft. Ta-da! This one's Wildfire. I'm going to take this orange up here because it looks a little brighter, lighter. Oh my gosh, okay, these orange colors here, they're pretty nice. I love this palette. I forgot to say I have a code for it. Okay, so y'all know I got these lashes from Winkformula. So is this palette. It's from Winkformula too. So I do have a code. If you guys use the code LOVESANDY, you guys can save 15% off all Winkformula products. Okay, bro, this is so crazy looking. I need to blend it. Yeah, back to this brush. I'm gonna take that pink. Okay. Going back to that blending color, I'm putting it right back on the top here. Because I want it to look a little more blended. Wow, this eyeshadow is making me look neon. I love it. So after that, I do want to get a flatter brush. Where are you? Where are you? You know, I'm gonna just take this brush. I don't know where it's from. This is actually not my brush. This is Charlize's brush. What? I'm taking this, spraying it because I want the red to be like crazy. The next color I'm taking is red. So I'm taking this crazy red here. And I'm going to put it right on inside my little mini hood on the line. Yeah, a real makeup guru would know like what color should be where, but honestly I don't know where to put colors and I'm just doing whatever. So this is gonna be like a sandwich, pink and orange and red, and together they make a sandwich. On camera my eyeshadow looks like it's just all pink, but I swear like there's a gradient. But you know, this is a get ready with me, so not a makeup tutorial, so like yeah, don't listen to me. So using my Maybelline Fit Me, of course, because you guys already know I love it. You know what? Credits to you if you're still watching this video. Like, I swear I'm so boring. Okay, can we just talk about the fact that this foundation looks so good? I actually think I like this foundation more than the Maybelline Fit Me because it has more coverage, a little bit more coverage, and I don't like foundations with too much coverage, so this is kind of perfect. Then I'm taking my e.l.f. brush like this. Hold up. Where's my brush? I don't freaking know what I'm doing. I'm just taking the excess eyeshadow on this brush. Just gonna put this out here like this to make it look kind of like a cat eye thing. Yeah, do that. I want this to be like, yeah, I'm a boss. Why? As always, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade Light because I like to use a lighter shade for baking just so that it kind of brightens under my eyes. Not kind of. I just like it when it brightens under my eyes. Wow. Baking is like my favorite part of my makeup routine because when I do put it on, I feel like those really cool makeup gurus on Instagram. Oh my god! Guys, I'm really sassy, but like, follow me on Instagram. Hey, give me the 90K. Hey. That was ugly. Okay, obviously I'm gonna have it on my nose because I do get very, very oily. Not that I'm going anywhere, so it's not like I need it, but like, I'm gonna put it on anyways. I'm using the Wet n Wild contour palette thing. I think they have different shades, I'm not sure, but this is the one that looks like it has banana powder on the other side. If you guys have watched this video and gotten this far, give me a subscribe if y'all love this. I'm getting a nose job. Alright, now I'm gonna wipe off the big stuff. Even though like it's already kind of off, I like to do it after I put on bronzer. I don't know why, I just always do. So back to my Winkformula palette. I'm gonna take back that pink and just put it on my lower lash line. Alright, and I'm taking that dark pink cranberry color again, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer edge. Going straight to the red. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna hit y'all with the blush. That was so sassy. But for blush, I'm using Pearlescent Pink. It's like a peachy color actually. So I'm so in love with Wet n Wild products. They have been doing so good making products that I love and can buy. That's good. And then I obviously like to put it on my nose, just at the tip. I'm lining my lips, obviously. A lot of you guys have seen this lip product, but it's the Tawny lip product by Jordana Cosmetics. I really like this because it just looks so natural. This is the Urban Decay Afterglow 8-Hour Powder highlighter. I'm just gonna use this. It's extremely pigmented, guys. Just a little bit really takes you a long way. I'm gonna put some in the inner corner of my eyes. I love using this eye highlighter for that. I'm using my Sigma Powder Sweep F06 brush to sweep on the highlighter. Obviously this is from Sigma, so you guys can use my code to save money. Okay guys, this is the final look. Do you guys like it? I forgot to mention this, but Winkformula, the creator of these lashes and the eyeshadow palette I used today, they're having a sale, so they're having like a buy one get one free brush sale. So if you buy one brush from them, you can get another one free. And yeah, just letting you guys know that this deal will be going on September 9th, so don't miss your chance, because get that brush and maybe you guys will realize that you guys want the eyeshadow palette too. I'll link their website down below if you guys want to check them out, and I will also put down my code down there. I always put my code for Winkformula down below because I wear their lashes on like every video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are so awesome. I finally hit 30k recently, so I'm really happy about that. Like, that's crazy. I remember like a couple months ago, just having 4,000 subscribers like was the shit. Like, I felt like I was so cool, but now that I have 30k, I'm so grateful because you guys are so sweet, and I'm so happy that I have you guys to support me. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Mwah.